Hey guys, thanks for taking that time to check out our video reviews, previews, tutorials, and demos. Doing a video review today on our hard shell cases for the iPhone 5. Now we have them in 5 different designs. We have 2 separate listings, so there's 6-piece listings. So you get basically we're doing 6 cases for one low price of like $12.99 or $11.99 or something like that, which is like ridiculously cheap for these cases. These are just awesome hard shell snap-on cases. Now the 6-piece cases are right here. This is an Aztec design. This is a raised diamond design, and then you have a foggy design right here, which is just an opaque, like it's just it's kind of see-through, but it's a bit foggy. Now yeah, we have the 6 different colors, as you can see. This is my favorite right here. I like the Aztec because it's got this shiny gloss look to it, as well as the frosted triangles here, as you can see. Covers the sides of the iPhone 5, it keeps the bottom open and the top button open there. Has a camera cut out. Just like the other cases, I showed you these 3. Now we also have 5 pieces. So the 2 sets right here come in 5 pieces versus this comes in 6 different colors. There's a separate listing for the 5-piece. So this is a shattered design and this is a turtle design. The same kind of deal as the Aztec, where you have the glossy look, and same for this one here. Again, they come in 5 different colors. This comes in 6 different colors. Any questions you have regarding this product or any products we carry, click the description link at the bottom. It'll take you to our listings, and we'll be more than happy to help you with any questions that you have. Thanks again for taking the time to check out our videos, guys, and have yourself a great day.